Log in using the button on our main website, movingleads.com, in the upper right-hand corner. Use the email and password that were used to open your account. If you receive a message when logging in that the email is not set up as a user, contact us at customer.service@fmadata.com. Some older accounts set up prior to 2016 may not have a user account. Once you have logged in, you will be on your dashboard. Note that some customers have multiple accounts. Click on your account name to view the features of your account. You can edit your account details like contact information, address, and email. Next, you can look at your list orders, both active and inactive. You can also create a new list order. Click on your list order for details. If you want to edit any of these details, you will need to email customer.service@fmadata.com. Each list order has an ID number. Remember this, as it corresponds to your list files. Click on List Files and look at the file names. The list order ID number will be in the description of the file. Click on this file to download the spreadsheet. List-only customers will have a PDF file as well. This PDF is formatted so that you can print addresses directly to labels and mail your own postcards. The files are ordered by descending date, which goes back 3 months. You can also download invoices through your dashboard. Additionally, you can change your credit card information here. If you wish to invite other coworkers to use the website, you can invite them by filling out their information here. If you have any questions or want to change the details of your list order, email customer.service@fmadata.com. You can also go to our Frequently Asked Questions page and download our website guide if you need further clarification on how to use our website.